Você lupinha birabi.
Quero pai!
É golo!
Wana passar. Ya gani da shi ma ba sai haka. Amma na gani musa mu. Akarenza ku katabu.
it wasn't really our expectation. We thought we could win these people in the first 10 minutes. Only that we are disappointed by the strategies we were delayed, we had given this to our boys to use.
Yeah, I would say the game has been fair. The obsession was, these are people who make mistakes, but I would say the game ended well, successfully, without any injuries. One thing I want to thank the Federation so much for bringing these games, because through these games you realize a regional league team is able to tussle out with a Premier League clubs. And I'm happy so much here being in Busoga, going 1-1 on full time, losing on penalties. Wow, it's a plus for me. I feel like I've moved. Last year I ended in a round of 64 against Police. I lost 1-0 at home. But this year, here we are. The beauty is boys have played, boys are now on market. So really I would say whoever missed this game missed a lot.